He scared me when he fell off the computer and hit the floor.
Oh, he did that again?
Yeah.
Last time
He's a flexible little fart.
Yeah, I'm a little daredevil.
Yeah. The typical boy. Wow, wow. Wow. She's silly. Yeah, she's silly kitty. Hey, hey.
Damn, dude. What are you doing? Hey, don't do it. I don't know if you can jump that high off yet without... You crazy little shit. You're crazy little shitlin', you. You're crazy little shitlin'.
Who's trying to get you to play, Daddy?
He likes to go head first right into shoes, too. I don't know. Can't see it in there. It's too dark. The camera don't pick it up when he's in there. It's too dark for the camera. Oh, damn, he went fast. No, there's nothing in the fridge for you. Yeah? I said no. Hold still so I can take a picture of you.
Telling a baby to